What's up, guys? In today's video, we are going to dive into the world of Amazon arbitrage. Now, you guys have heard me discuss this a lot on this channel. You guys know that retail and online arbitrage has been a big part of my reselling journey over the past 6 months. But today, we are going to go over a step-by-step guide on how to make it work for you. If you're looking to boost your profits and grow your online business, then this is the video for you. I have 5 easy steps that we're going to go through in the next few minutes that will help you take your online reselling business to the next level. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and if you need a reselling group, check out Juiced, linked down below. Now, let's get into Amazon arbitrage. The first thing that we need to discuss is what is Amazon arbitrage. If you're new here and you don't know about arbitrage or what Amazon arbitrage is, let's discuss it. It is simply the process of buying products at a lower price from one marketplace and then selling them on Amazon for a higher price. You guys have seen me do this all the time at places like Kohl's or potentially items from Target or Walmart, buying them at a lower cost, reselling them on Amazon for a higher profit. There are several different tools you can use to scout these things, but luckily for you, if you join Juiced, you don't really need a tool. All you need to do is join the group and pay attention to all of the posts that I make every single day. I post at least 2 leads every single day inside the group. So if you guys need help finding those profitable items, join Juiced, link down below. Now, let's go over the 5 easy steps of Amazon arbitrage. Okay, the first step, you have to find that profitable product. All right, the first step is finding the product to sell. Now, you want to look for a product with high demand and low competition. That's the dream. If we can marry those two together, then we are going to have a successful product to resell. Now, there are tools out there that you can use, like I said, but if I were you, I would just join Juiced and follow my links that I post every single day. We are constantly posting items, not just for myself, but other resellers as well. So you guys have a lot of resources at your fingertips. Step number 2, we need to analyze our profit margins. This is an overlooked step, but before you purchase any product, it's essential that you analyze what your potential profit margin is. You need to calculate several things to know exactly how much money you'll be walking away with as profit. You have to calculate things obviously like the cost of the item, but also things like Amazon fees, how much is going to be taken out whenever you sell this item, calculate your shipping costs, and then any other expenses that you have whenever you're reselling these items. Ensuring that you do this will guarantee that you will get your profit margin that you look for. Everyone has their number that they shoot for. Me personally, I don't go for any product that is under 40%. But that's also because I don't have as much time as I want to devote to this, and I have a little bit more items built up over time. Someone new, you could target something like 30% is a good number to go for. As long as you're making 30% at the end of the day, that's a good product for you to start reselling. Step number 3. Purchasing and listing your products. And now, once you've found those items or once you've seen my post in the group, all you have to do is purchase them and then get them listed on Amazon. Now, they have made listing on Amazon extremely easy. All you have to do is say whether you are shipping this yourself or shipping through Amazon. A lot of the items I ship myself. Set your quantity, set your price, and then after that, you are pretty much good to go. If you were listing anywhere else, obviously you would have to take high quality images, things like that. But since we're listing on Amazon, all of that is already done for us and we just need to plug in our own information. Step 4 is managing your inventory and your shipping. As an Amazon seller, it's crucial to make sure that your inventory is always tracked and up to date. You want to make this process efficient and always make sure that you are updating this listing. There are cheaper ways out there to get labels. If you guys want more help on that, check out one of my previous videos where I explain that for you. But you can use Juiced as a group for a lot of these resources. We can help you every step of the way and make sure that you are doing things the right way that will ensure that your customers are receiving their orders on time, and then they're also coming back to you, and hopefully they're leaving you a good seller rating. Step number 5. You just have to monitor and adjust, guys. This one is monitor your sales, adjust your strategies as needed. Keep an eye on your listings. Make sure that you're not getting undercut too much. Or if you feel like you can drop your price a little bit to get that buy box, it's worth doing so. You'll make a little bit less money, but you'll also move items at a higher quantity, so that's something to factor in. But once again, you should know your profit margin. You should know that number. Never go below it to make a sale. Always stick to it. And if you can do those things, you will maximize your profits as an Amazon arbitrage seller. That is it. 5 easy steps. I told you guys we were going to get through it quick. You follow these steps, you're going to be well on your way to making a profit through Amazon arbitrage. Remember, success in this business it requires a few things. Number 1, you're going to have to be patient throughout this process. You're going to have to be persistent, and you are going to have to continuously learn, adapt, and evolve. It's never going to be easy. If it was easy, everyone would do it. But keep at it, and I promise that your online business will grow rather quickly right before your eyes, and you'll be making a nice little profit on the side. If you found this video helpful, please comment down below and let me know what you thought was specifically helpful. Be sure to like this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another reselling video. Soul State from Juiced, signing out.